Another thing that's ready at the moment is my chamomile flowers. So chamomile has such a beautiful smell, although some people find it a little bit overpowering. But it's a wonderful tisane or tea herb, and I've been drying some off in a jar on the windowsill. So that's all you need to do to preserve them, is just dry them off. And I'm going to pop some in this jar here. So just pluck the flowers off and put them in, let them dry. And years ago, now King, but then Prince Charles, was really ridiculed for his thoughts about growing plants and that it's important to talk to them. And these days, no one really bats an eyelid. So he was very brave in a lot of ways for being a way shower. Because he's right, there is consciousness in all of nature. So if we acknowledge that and work with it, we're all better off, especially the planet. And especially humanity. And the whole world. When we harvest, if we work with gratitude, then that works for everybody. Because these things don't just happen overnight. We're really co-creators when we're working in a garden. Bit of effort, bit of work on our behalf. And the plant and animal and insect kingdoms do their own bit too. So chamomile tea is very calming, a mild sedative, I suppose you might say, but it certainly helps sleep, certain skin conditions, and is also used as a hair dye. Just makes your hair a little bit blonder. So many ways we can be healthy naturally. So there you go. That's the little pick this morning. Leave them dry, and once they're dry I can tip them in with the other ones.